Okay, dear students, now we draw another 3D figure. In this, we will use chamfer and fillet commands. So, how to use chamfer and fillet commands in 3D drawings we will see today. So, this is the figure. This is the front view. In the front view, what you will see? You will see the length of 66 and a height of 60. Okay, and what is the thickness of this base? It is 12, or you can say it the height of the base is 12. Okay, and also here the thickness here is 12. So the length, overall length is 66 and height is 60. After that, this thickness is 12. Okay, so first we have to create this in the front view. Then what is the overall width of this figure? It is 42. So we will create this. So let us begin. So first you will do the basic formatting of the sheet. Okay, select millimeters, then go to drawing limits 0, 500, enter. Now you are using SE isometric. Okay, you have to use SE isometric and press UCS icon, so that this origin will be, we don't need the origin, UCS icon, and select no origin, then this origin will be shifted. Okay, now let us begin the figure. So what we need here, it is 66, the length is 66. Okay, so after that a height is, this thickness is how much? The thickness of the base or the height of the base is 12, 66 and 12. So go here, select line. After that you have to select the view, which view you are drawing. You are drawing in the front view. Select front view. Okay, or press escape. First you have to select the view. Okay, so we are drawing in the front view. So make sure that this axis changed. So this axis is now in this direction, x and y plane. So every time we have to draw in x, y plane. Okay, so now the length is 66 and height is 12. So here the length is how much? 66 and height is 12. So select the line and turn the ortho mode on. Length is 66. It is very small, so you can zoom it using the scroll wheel on the mouse. So it is 66. The height is how much? 12. After that, so it is 66, height is 12. Then if total this is 66, and again we have to go from here left side, how much? 66, but here if we go up till 66 it will be till here. So we have to remove this 12 from the 66, then we will get this distance, and from here to here, the total is 66. We need from here to here. What is the distance from this point to here? So 66 minus 12 will be how much? 54. Okay, so go back, left side 54, enter. Okay, after that remaining height how much? What is the remaining height here? The total is 60. Again, the base height is 12. So you have to remove 12 from the total height 60. It will be 48. Yani from here to here, it will be 48. 48 plus 12 will be a total height 60. 48. So the height will be 48. Then again, this thickness is 12, and go back, join the ends, press escape to come out of the command. So now this is the front view we needed. So what you will do now, you have to give it a thickness of 42. The total thickness is how much? Yani the width is how much? 42. So now select press pull command, select press pull, come inside this shape, click here and give it a direction and type the thickness. What was the thickness? 42. So type 42, enter. Now this is visible in the 2D wireframe. 2D wireframe. You want to change it to 3D, click here, select shades of gray. Now it will look like 3D. Now what you have to do, you have to chamfer the edge. Here the edges are sharp here. This is the sharp edge and this is sharp edge. You have to chamfer the edges. What is the chamfer distance? Here 12 and here also 12. Similarly here 12 and 12. So let us use the chamfer command now. Okay, select here, select chamfer. Okay, come to the edge which you want to chamfer. Yani select the line first. It will ask you whether you want to chamfer this edge, yani this side, this surface. You have to press OK. This is the one, or else you can move it. See, you can move it until you will get what you want. So here it is showing two surfaces, this surface or this surface. You have to select this surface, press OK. Now it is asking you the chamfer distance. How much chamfer distance? 12. First chamfer also 12. The second chamfer distance is also 12. Press enter. Now it is asking you for the edge, which edge you want to cut. So we want to cut this edge and also this edge. Select two edges. After that press enter. Now these two edges will be cut. Okay. Okay. Now you don't need this 2D wireframe. You can delete this, and also this you can delete. Just press click and you can erase. Right click and erase. Okay. Now the next step is this. This is what? This is a fillet of radius 21. This chamfering is done. Now the remaining part is this fillet of radius 21. So go back, again select fillet. So the fillet is available above the chamfer. Select the fillet and now select the surface. So which surface? Just come here and click and enter fillet radius. How much radius? Fillet radius is 21. Press enter. Select an edge. It's asking. So this is the edge and press enter. You have to select both sides, this side and this side, then press enter. Then this will create. This will be created. Okay. Now you don't need the 2D wireframe. If you want to move all of at once, okay, all of the edges, just move it. Okay, right click. First select right click on the image, move the diagram. Just move the figure. Okay, click, right click, move, anything left you can delete. So now what is remaining here? This additional triangle is remaining. Okay, so this triangle is visible in front view, not in the side view. Side view, the only rectangle is visible and you cannot draw this, and you cannot specify what is the angle here. So, and it is difficult to draw in the side view. So better you will draw in the front view. Front view, it is clearly visible. The height is 42.42. See here, the height is 42, and what is the length of this one? It is again from here to here, yani the total is 66. From here to here it is 12, and it will be 54. So you will start drawing from here 54, 42, then connect the edge. Okay, then press pull for 12. So this is visible in the front view as well. So go back to the software, select the line. So first you have to select the view in which you want to draw, front view. So it's already there in the front view. So select the line, click here. It is how much? 54. Enter. The height is, what is the height? This is 54. The height is 42. Type 42. Then go back to the end point and click. After that, press escape to come out of the command. Now select press pull for how much? Thickness 12. Select press pull. It's taking some time to activate, Select press pull. Now come inside the shape, click here. How much? Thickness 12. 1, 2. Press enter. Okay, now we have to come out of this command, press escape. Now we have to move this figure here. Okay, so this triangle or whatever, this shape is exactly in the midpoint of this one. If you see the figure carefully, this is exactly in the middle. Okay, so how to move it? Just click on the figure, then right click, select move option. Okay, now you have to move the midpoint of this to midpoint of this. So carefully select, this is the end point. Okay, you have to select the midpoint. So carefully come to the mid until it show you midpoint. Click here, then you have to come here, midpoint. This is also a midpoint. Click here. So this will come here. Then you have to delete the 2D wireframe. So press escape to come out of the command. So now these are two separate figures. This is a separate figure. This is a separate figure. To make them one, what you will use? You have to use the union command. Solid union. Select the solid union command. Then click on the first figure, click on the second figure, then press enter. Now it became a single figure. Okay, now if you click it, it will become a single figure. Okay, thank you.